Now, if I told you there was something out there, supplement out there that was totally 100% pure, organic, you can buy it over the internet, it's you can get it from the UK. It's normally grown in hot countries such as the Caribbean, Philippines, India, Pakistan. They know about this plant. Well, it's a tree. It's called the Tree of Life, the Miracle Tree, the Drumstick Tree. Its name is Moringa. It's got 10 times more vitamin A than carrots. It's got 17 times more calcium than milk. It's got 25 more times of iron than spinach. It's got 12 times more vitamin C than oranges. It's got 15 times more potassium than bananas. It's got 9 times more protein than yogurt. It's a great source of protein and dietary fibre. It contains 36 compounds that support a normal inflammatory response in your body. Really high amounts of antioxidants to protect, prevent and delay all damage. They fight free radicals such as pollution, sun, nasties that are outside, cigarette smoke, etc. 17 types of amino acids. In fact, all the amino acids your body needs. It's an excellent source of minerals, iron, calcium, vitamins A, B, B1, B2, B3, B6, D and E, as well as macro minerals, trace minerals and phytonutrients. The drying process does not affect the vitamin C, iron, omegas or fibres, which are perfectly preserved along with their health benefits. Now I'm reading from my notes because there's that much stuff. The best of all, it helps with weight loss because it suppresses the appetite and stops you craving sugar. It regulates the body. It's good for inflammation. It's brilliant for arthritis. It's been known to cure arthritis. Go and do your research. Don't take it from me. Go and have a look online. Go and see the studies. There's been 1,300 studies, articles and reports. This is called the magical or the magic tree. It helps the body correct itself. It's good for edema, swelling, decreases pain, asthma, diabetes, high cholesterol, contains 36 anti-inflammatories. It's good for autoimmune disorders, great source of energy. All your amino acids, which are your body building blocks, are in there. Supports heart health, cleans your skin, it helps with hair growth, supports the immune system, the list goes on. It's especially good for boosting your nutritional intake. Now, being vegan, that's really, really important. But this is brilliant for everybody. It fights the signs of aging due to the high antioxidant. It also helps with kidney health and it also helps with vision. It helps protect the liver from damage and disease as well. Because of its properties, it is also known as a detoxifier, so it will actually attach itself to the nasties in your body and detox the body as well. It's often known as the drumstick tree, the miracle tree, the mother's best friend, and it's available now everywhere. And I cannot believe it's taken me all this time before I've even heard of it. It's called the Moringa. Certified organic, Soil Association approved, vegan friendly, 100% pure and gluten free. I've got a link below. You do not have to buy it off me. The link's there. I get a small commission, but if you want to go direct to Amazon or you want to go to a Whole Foods shop, they might sell it. I get the capsules. I take 2 a day. I've been taking them for 4 days, so it's too early to tell. But from what I've done, the research and what I've read, I cannot believe I've never heard of this. You need to check it out. This is a great supplement for anybody and it does not affect any medication that you're on apparently. I'm not a doctor. I can't tell you to take these. Go and do your research. You will be shocked why you haven't heard of it and what health benefits it could bring you. So I hope this has helped and I'll speak to you soon.